Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter Eat. Today discuss about topics. Explain about activity 3 and activity 4. Let's start the class. Explain about activity 3. Question. Explain an activity to show that average kinetic energy of the molecules is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. Okay, see the question. Explain an activity to show that average kinetic energy. Okay, what is meant by kinetic energy? The energy passed by an object due to its motion is called kinetic energy. Okay, only object due to its motion is called kinetic energy. Okay, after what is meant by absolute temperature? Temperature measured and Kelvin scale is called absolute temperature. Okay, this is definition. Take a two beakers. Take a two beakers. This is first beaker. This is second beaker. First beaker with hot water. First beaker with hot water. Right? Hot water. And second beaker with cold water. Cold water. First beaker with hot water. Second beaker with cold water. Okay, after gently sprinkle food color on the surface of the water in two beakers. Okay, this is grains. This is grains. Grains. Okay, observe the motion of the small grains of food color. Observe the motion. Motion means if an object changes its position. Changes its position. Okay, grains also changes. Grains also changes. You notice that the grains of food color jiggle. Jiggle means moving. Okay, the jiggling of the grains of food color in hot water is more when compared to the jiggling in cold water. As the speed of motion of particles in the two beakers of water is different. Two beakers of water is different. You can say that they have different kinetic energies. Different kinetic energies. Kinetic energies. Hot water, different kinetic energies. And cold water, different kinetic energies. So, you can say that the average kinetic energy of the molecules is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. Absolute temperature. Kinetic energy directly proportional to temperature. Okay, this is conclusion. Okay, kinetic energy. For example, 5 joules. For example, 5 joules. Directly proportional to the temperature 5 Kelvin. 5 Kelvin. Okay, kinetic energy as unit joules. Temperature as unit Kelvin. Okay, after that 5 joules is equal to 5 Kelvin. Proportional means is equal to. Okay, kinetic energy proportional to the temperature is the same. This is activity 3 completed. Next topic is explain about activity 4. Question: so that heat energy flows from hotter body to colder body. This is question. See the question: so that heat energy. What is meant by heat? It is a form of energy which flows from a body at higher temperature to a body at lower temperature. Lower temperature. Okay, this question: energy flows from hotter body to colder body. Take water in a container and heat it to 60 degree Celsius. Okay, this is container with hot water with hot water. Hot water, right? Hot water. Hot water. Okay, after take a cylindrical transparent glass jar and fill half of the with this hot water. Okay, now very gently pour coconut oil over the surface of water. Okay, this is coconut oil. This is coconut oil. Write this one, coconut oil. Okay, upper what? Coconut oil. Down what? Hot water. Okay, next one, put a lid. Put a lid with two holes. Two holes. This is first hole. This is second hole. On the top of the glass jar. Glass jar. Take two thermometers and insert them through the holes of the lid. Okay, take a thermometers. This is thermometers. And second thermometer. Second thermometer. Okay, after inside the water and other inside the coconut oil. Okay, first thermometer only oil and second thermometer and with water. Now observe the reading of the thermometers. The reading of the thermometers kept in water decreases. Water decreases. Okay, hot water, how much? First reading 60 degree Celsius. Already told. Water also decreases. First 60 degree Celsius. Next to 50 degree Celsius. After 40 degree Celsius. Water also decreases. Will at the same time the reading of the thermometer kept in oil increases. Oil also increases. Okay, oil also increases. 10 degree Celsius, 20 degree Celsius and 30 degree Celsius. Oil also increases because the water loses energy and oil gains energy. Okay, heat energy flows from water to oil. Okay, the conclusion: heat energy flows from hotter body to colder body. Okay, hot water decreases and coconut oil increases. This activity completed.